National symbols are the important part of India's national identity. National symbols try to unite people.
National flag has three colors. It is also called Tiranga. At the top, it is saffron, which represents the bravery. At the middle, it is white, which represents peace. At the bottom, it is green, which represents the prosperity. At the center, there is Ashoka Chakra, which the lines represents the laws of Dharma.
Peacock is the national bird of India. It is declared as National Bird of India in 1963. Its feathers are used in religious activities.
National vegetable pumpkin. It is a healthy vegetable. It is good for eyesight and it is yellow and orange in color.
Tiger is our national animal. It symbolizes scientific power. Its color orange and black stripe on.
The lotus flower is regarded as the national flower of India. It symbolizes beauty, purity and knowledge. It is an aquatic flower.
Banyan tree is our national tree. It symbolizes immortality.
Mango is the national fruit of India. It is also the national tree of Bangladesh. In India, harvest and sale of mangoes is during March and May.
Hockey is the national game of India. It is played with a stick and a ball. It is played with two teams.
The national symbols embracing India's heritage. It is the way to connect with the roots of our civilization. Thank you.